Welcome to the surface area of a cylinder. Today's activity requires that you take the can that you have been given and find some measurements, draw the net, and determine the surface area of the cylinder. Pause now to do that activity. I chose to measure the 19-ounce can of chickpeas, and I only did two measurements. The diameter, which was 8.5 centimeters, and the height, which was 11.5 centimeters. With these two measurements, I can find the surface area of the cylinder of the can. To find the area of the circles, I only need the radius rather than the diameter, so I have to cut that in half. 4.25 then is my radius. The area then of the two circles is equal to 2 times pi r squared, and I'll go ahead and do that calculation. The area of the two circles then is 113.49. I did use the full value of pi to make sure that I had that as accurate as possible. To find the area of the rectangle that makes up the body of the can, we need to know the long edge, and that is equivalent to the circumference of the cylinder, for which we also needed the radius. So remember that circumference is equal to 2 pi r, and so that's equal to 2 times pi times the 4.25, which is equal to 26.7 centimeters. With this, then we can find the area of the rectangle. So that area is equal to length times width, which is equal to 11.5 times 26.7. Which is 307.09 centimeters squared. The total surface area then of the cylinder is the sum of those two numbers. 113.49 plus 307.09. $420.58 centimeters squared. Looking at the surface area of a cylinder formula, you can see the work that you have just done. The area of the two circles plus the circumference times the height of the can. Now, whether you need to find the surface area of a cylinder simply by looking at it and determining the parts, or understanding the formula, you're ready to go.